This Boeing 777-9X performs an incredibly steep takeoff and climbing during introducing a newest model. This takeoff was the part of the 2022 Farnborough, and this would never possible with passengers. This polar Boeing 747-8 cargo freighter lands on thick fox, creating a stunning vortices. This historic plane suffering wing strike on landing after being hit by wind gust. The plane runs off the runway and come to stop on the grass. Luckily, no one injured. This Portugal Airbus A300-900 performs an emergency landing after suffering an engine failure. You can see the right-hand engine almost makes contact with the runway.